let us discuss about hormones, before we move on to hormones in animals. Hormones. The chemical substances, which coordinate the activities of living organisms, and also their growth, are called hormones. These are also called chemical messengers. The characteristics of hormones are: hormones are secreted in small amount by the endocrine glands. These are poured directly into blood and carried throughout the body by blood circulatory system. Hormones act on specific tissues or organs called target organs. Now, let us discuss about hormones in animals. Here, we come to know about control and coordination in animals, and also different types of hormones produced by animals. Let us now briefly discuss the different levels of control and coordination in animal body. The animal body has two levels of control and coordination. Nervous coordination. It consists of brain, nerves, and spinal cord. In this, electrical signals are transferred through the nerves, which are composed of neurons. Here, neuron acts fast, but it is for short time. Chemical coordination. It consists of glands and hormones. In this, chemical called hormones is produced by the glands into the blood. The action of the hormone is slow but lasts for a long time. The nervous system and endocrine system are similar, both involves chemical substances. We know that nervous system releases neurotransmitter, and whereas endocrine system releases hormones. Previously, we discussed about the nervous system. Now, let us discuss in detail about the endocrine system. Let us now discuss about the endocrine glands and endocrine system of human body. What is endocrine gland? A structure, that is, group of cells or tissues, which makes hormones in the body, is called an endocrine gland. The endocrine glands do not have ducts to secrete their hormones. So, they are also called as ductless glands. The endocrine glands release hormones directly into the blood of a person. What is endocrine system? A group of endocrine glands, which produces various hormones, is called endocrine system. The endocrine system is also called as hormonal system. So, the endocrine system in our body consists of number of glands or tissues, which make, store, and release chemicals called hormones. The endocrine glands produce chemical substances, that is, hormones, which help to control and coordinate various activities in the body. The hormones produced by the endocrine glands acts as messengers between the nervous system and the organs of our body. Endocrine system. Let us now discuss about different kinds of endocrine glands and their functionalities in our body. The various endocrine glands in our body are: hypothalamus, pituitary, pineal, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, adrenal, pancreas, testes, ovary. Let us explain each type of endocrine gland and its functionality in detail. Hypothalamus. Hypothalamus gland is present in the brain. Hypothalamus produces, releasing hormones and inhibitory hormones. The function of hypothalamus is to regulate the secretions of hormones from pituitary gland. It controls body temperature, hunger, thirst, sweating, etc. Pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is present just below the brain. The pituitary gland produces a number of hormones. One of the hormones produced by the pituitary gland is growth hormone. The growth hormone controls the growth of the human body. For example, a person having a deficiency of growth hormone in childhood remains very short and dwarf. Excess of this hormone causes tall growth. Pineal gland. Pineal gland is located near the center of the brain. Pineal gland produces a hormone called melatonin. The function of melatonin is, it affects reproductive development, modulation of wake and sleep patterns, and seasonal functions. Thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is attached to the windpipe in our body. Thyroid gland makes a hormone called thyroxine, which contains iodine. The function of the thyroxine is to control the rate of metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins in our body. Iodine is required by the thyroid gland to make thyroxine hormone. The deficiency of iodine in the diet of a person produces less thyroxine hormone and causes a disease called goiter, which is characterized by a swollen neck. Parathyroid glands. Parathyroid glands produce a hormone called parathormone. The function of parathormone is to regulate calcium and phosphate levels in the blood. There are 4 small parathyroid glands, which are embedded in the thyroid gland. Thymus gland. Thymus gland lies in the lower part of the neck and upper part of the chest. Thymus gland produces thymus hormone, which plays a role in the development of the immune system of the body. Pancreas. The pancreas is just below the stomach in the body. Pancreas produces the hormone called insulin. The function of insulin hormone is to reduce the blood sugar levels. Deficiency of insulin hormone in the body causes a disease called diabetes. The insulin hormone controls the metabolism of the sugar. If, for some reason, the pancreas does not produce and secrete sufficient amount of insulin into blood, then the sugar level in the blood rises, which causes the diabetes. Adrenal glands. There are 2 adrenal glands, which are located on the top of the kidneys. The adrenal gland gives adrenaline hormone. The function of adrenaline is to regulate the heart rate, breathing rate, blood pressure, and carbohydrate metabolism. It is produced in response to joy, anger, fear, or any kinds of stress. For example, when we are frightened or angry, the adrenal glands produce more adrenaline hormone, which is sent through the blood to the heart, rib muscles, and diaphragm. This increases breathing rate to supply more oxygen to the muscles, to prepare the body to either run away or fight with the enemy. So adrenal glands are often called as glands of emergency. Testes. Testes are glands which are present only in males, that is, men. Testes make male sex hormones called testosterone. The testosterone hormone controls the production of sperms and changes during puberty. It also controls the development of male sex organs and male features, such as mustache, etc. Ovaries. Ovaries are glands which are present only in females, that is, women. Ovaries make 2 female hormones, called estrogen and progesterone. The function of estrogen is to control the development of female sex organs, and female features such as soft skin, etc. Estrogen hormone also controls the production of eggs, and changes during puberty. The function of progesterone hormone is to control the uterus changes in menstrual cycle.